Hello everybody, welcome to Smart Money Hub. And in this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can earn $1 for every single 15 minutes that you spend online. Yes, for real, $1 for every single 15 minutes. So I want you guys to watch this video step by step and don't miss it so that you can partake in this beautiful stuff. And it's just 9 days left, so you guys, as you're watching this right now, I want you to take action and claim it. It is totally free. All right, so if this is your first time hearing my voice, watching any of my videos, welcome to Smart Money of this beautiful community. And on this channel, what we'll basically do is we'll go out there, we'll find out what is working, and we'll bring it straight right to your doorstep. So why don't you consider subscribing for this channel so that you don't miss interesting content like this? All right, give this video a thumbs up, drop some positive comments in the comment section, and let's get dancing with this money. All right, so let's get to the business of today, how you can get $1 for every 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video so that you guys can sign up as fast as you can. Is a very new airdrop that is going to be launched on PancakeSwap. Okay, 9 days from the day of this recording. So very quickly, this is what I want you guys to do. You come into your Trust Wallet. Okay, now when you're in your Trust Wallet, I'll be dropping the contact address also for the coin. So this is what you do in your Trust Wallet. Okay, disclaimer, always use a separate wallet for any of your airdrop, all right? Because we don't know which one is real, we don't know which one is fake. So make sure you use a separate wallet. And when you finally get the airdrop and it's in your wallet and you've living it for like 2 days, you can now move it to your main wallet. All right, so you guys should be very careful with airdrops out there. So I want to show you guys how you can copy the contact address. So here is the contact address. So I'm going to copy this. So when I copy it, I go back to my Trust Wallet. All right, so I navigate over here and I paste it. Okay, you can see it, Axoloti Finance. So you click on, all right, so now we've got this. So this is the step I want you guys to do. Okay, first things first, you're going to click on this, receive, and I want you to copy it and save it somewhere so that it's going to be easier for you. So when you copy this, you minimize and you can paste it on any of your notepad. All right, so now you paste it on your notepad. Now this is your address. Okay, so for the link I will be dropping in the description, this is what you need to do. You need to copy that link and head over to your dApps inside your Trust Wallet. So here is the link. Okay, so you copy it, and you move. So you go to your Trust Wallet. All right, so you come down to this section, dApps. This is what I want you to do. Then you click on paste. You can see, right? Then you click on done. So this is Forsage, guys. If you have not heard about Forsage, I'll be dropping a link for you guys in the description. Forsage is big, Forsage is massive. Join my team and let's make millions together. Forsage is very huge. All right, so you can see you need to leave it on Ethereum network. Okay, so let's wait for 46 seconds and see what is going to happen. Now you can let's go through this. And $1 Axo each 15 minutes you click. Each 15 minutes, you click on claim. Log into your account using your BEP20 BNB address and claim $1 for every 15 minutes for free. Okay, so that's why I asked you guys to copy your address first before coming here, and you've pasted it. So this is it. Axo trade will start after the countdown ends. So you have 9 days and 18 hours, 3 minutes left. Now we will open trade in PancakeSwap on 15th June. So it's few days from now, so you guys should take advantage of this. This is totally free now. So let's watch this countdown. 3, 2, 1. I am not a robot. Now, okay, solve this captcha. Motorcycles, this is one here, and the other one, this is one here, and these are motorcycles too. So verify, so claim now. Congratulations, you have acquired dollars. So let's check. you guys can see now I got $4 here, $4 here. So it's because of I already have an account already. So but if you are just starting out, it's going to ask you for your new for your BEP20 address, which is this one. This, let me show you guys, which is this address that you copy. So it's going to be for your registration and for your login in. So for every single 15 minutes you are eligible to claim $1 on this site. So the more you claim, you can see, let me show you guys now. Notice withdrawals can take up to 4 days to process. So this is where, if you want to withdraw, and I'll be making a withdrawal videos for you guys soon. So also you can refer your friends, your referral link, and for each of your friend that you refer, you also earn a percentage of the dollar that they make. So this is very hot right now. I want you guys to take advantage. So guys, also, if you've not heard about Forsage BUSD, Forsage is very massive, okay, and this is the best smart contract ever. After even Ethereum Forsage cannot achieve what Forsage BUSD is going to achieve, and it has just launched for just 5 days. So the newcomer advantage is still available now. So if you guys are interested, I'll be dropping a link for you guys in the description. You guys should join this team and let's make these millions in weeks, even months. Okay, so if you've gotten content from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be dropping much more interesting content for you guys. See you in my next video.